So this is Harapaki Wind Farm. On this project, Marias Laying need to trench 68 kilometres as well as install over 200 kilometres of cable. It's scheduled to take approximately 16 months to do the trenching. The way we're going at the moment, the process is looking really good and we're keeping within the schedule, if not slightly ahead. So it's going very well. The way we're trenching it is we run the cable off the reel loader through our binding machine where we put it into a trefoil, adding a fibre into the trefoil as we go. It then goes over the top of our ST2 trenching machine where we pick up a copper and another fibre which get laid in the correct positions in the trench in our lane box. We add sand to the lane box as we go. Then the mag slab goes over the top of the sand. We have two plate compactors compacting the sand on top of the mag slab. Then an excavator following behind, compacting the trench and backfilling it all and leaving it nice and tidy. As you can see, it's a pretty challenging environment here, quite a high altitude. We get all the weather extremes and obviously the ground conditions can be quite difficult with the mud from the rain and obviously hard rock. But it's a fairly enjoyable project and a beautiful spot to be, really.